Hey guys, today's video is a little informal because I never make cooking type of videos, so this one can be really short, sweet, and show you how to make this Dalgona inspired matcha latte.
What you'll need is matcha powder. Ceremonial or culinary grade works best. Sugar or whatever sugar alternative you want to use. Coconut cream or coconut milk put in the fridge overnight, which is what I used. And your milk of choice. I'm using coconut almond milk. First, put 1 tablespoon of matcha powder in a deep bowl. Then, put in 1.5 tablespoons of boiled water and mix into a smooth paste. Next, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and then 6 tablespoons of the top layer of your refrigerated coconut milk. If you're using coconut cream, I would probably start at 3 to 4 tablespoons since it's a little bit thicker than coconut milk. You can always add more once you start whisking your mixture. I also highly recommend that you use an electric whisk or mixer. Starting at a low speed, start to whisk your mixture. You can gradually increase the whisk to be faster and faster over a few minutes. If you're using coconut milk like me, it has to be refrigerated overnight because that's what creates the thicker texture that you need. If you're using coconut cream, you can slowly add more if needed as you whisk. You're looking for a thick texture that doesn't run liquidy when you lift your whisk up. It won't be as fluffy as typical Dalgona coffee with instant coffee mix because the instant coffee mix gives a fluffier texture, but you'll still get that floating pudding texture that tastes so great. Now put your mixture aside and add ice into your cup. I go about halfway and then add your milk of choice about 3/4 the way up. Then you can start scooping your matcha into the cup very gently. And there you have it. Make sure to stir thoroughly before enjoying. Tag me on Instagram if you guys try making this drink.